Mash-up Thursday here. All assets are one. Oil, $86. Gold, $16.51. I want to talk about gold before we talk about the SPOOs. SPOOs are now down 100 points from the Sunday debt ceiling signage. We'll start with the SPOOs and then roll over into gold. I've been saying all week, gold on the gold ZN combination. One of them is wrong, and I think gold's finally showing it today. You can't have these interest rates and bonds rallying, interest rates getting smashed, and gold continuing to go higher, I don't think. So I actually did put on the short on gold today, 1668 after the first break and bounce. That's day's pivot right around that area. And I think you can hold it for 2 weeks and pick up some really nice change. I think gold, and again, if you traded it around with us today, it took about $22 to 46 and then put it back on at 63. It's 53 as we speak. I think we'll at least, the first bounce was 1640 from the 240-minute chart, and I think we'll probably go down to 1580, 1600 on gold. So, any thoughts there?
No, I think gold today just represents liquidation, people taking profits and what they can take profits in. So gold coming in would be an okay thing. Yeah. I think with free Moolah Forever policies, you need to own some gold. So your short on gold is looking pretty sweet today.
What are we doing? What are we looking at on the free Moolah with QE now? Are we red since QE2?
Oh, I think this gives them more reason than ever to do something eventually here.
But are we red? Are we net red since QE2 began? Finished?
No.
I thought
we're not. We're green.
Are we close?
We're about in the levels of around Christmas or just past Christmas, because I do recall trading around 1241 at Christmas Eve-ish.
So again, we were talking 1130, 1180 ultimately early in the week when we were, 1280, 1260. Yeah. A lot of people were scoffing. We hit 1212 today. You and I agree that if this 1212 breaks, 1200 is next. It's no doubt 1188 is going to be seen. It's just not if, but when. Again, oversold becomes more oversold, and you got to be trading this. You got to be trading this market right now.
Yeah, I ultimately think if we went through the 12 area, which is around our lows of the day, if we went through that with some impulse, it doesn't matter if it happens today, tomorrow, the following day, we'll ultimately see 1183 quarter. So, and then that gets us down into, a long time ago, I was saying that I thought the market would see somehow, some way, 1153 this summer. So, And this is not a crash. We have not crashed. We're whooshing down at places. There's some whooshes, but I'm not seeing anything terribly scary. I mean, no doubt it's scary what's going on, but yeah.
Yeah, so the 2-year chart, if anybody wants to bring it up, basically 1,000 to 1370. The 50 retrace is 1188. The 61.8 is 1142. So those numbers look right in my crosshairs here, just because that would play well into the suggestion. I talked with this Jack Barnes yesterday on his show at the end of the day about this, and again, all these assets from Western Europe all the way over here to North America are going to continue to get whacked. Chinese have already taken a good piece of their whacking. We're kind of catching up to the Chinese markets, so maybe the Chinese markets are leading us right now. They haven't, they're by no means healthy again. So, any thoughts on that?
No, I tend to agree with that. I can't tell you if we're the tail that's being wagged by the dog or not, but economic data is soft, man. So I don't know what number they're going to pull out of the hat for tomorrow. I suspect
tomorrow we have the jobless
number.
claims.
We're trying to price it in. Yeah. So
again, the easy money. You're down 100 points from Sunday. We're down 160 from the year's highs. About 15%. So
Hey, I tried to swing this long last night, and I got tagged. I woke up this morning.
Did you?
So I tried. You know what I mean? I was like, wow. So now I'm back in scout mode, man. So.
All right, my man. That's it. I'm flat right now in the ES. I'm not long. I'm not short. I sold a little bit there at 26. Took that off, probably at 20 right here a little bit ago, and it went even lower. Now it's bouncing again. We're just finishing lunch, 10:57. I don't know which way we're going to close. Again, break below 12.12 here in the next hour between 11 and 12. We'll see 1200. That's the projection. We were 28 points this morning, 40 to 12. And we bounced to 28. So 28 mirrored would get you to that 1200 number, only if we break 1200. So, or 1212, excuse me.
Yeah.
All right, man.
Yeah. I mean, we have appointments lower if we whoosh through that area. Yeah. If we roll through that area, we've got appointments a fair amount lower.
Okay.
So watch the reaction there at 12.
All right. Peace, brother.